Our wines are produced under the guidance of highly qualified Italian engineers, Mr. Daniel Duandre and Mrs. Eliza Bagnoni. Our team of winemakers is a close-knit international group of like-minded people dedicated to their business and knowledgeable experts in the quality of real wine and grape. Our company united and brought together two sunny and generous countries of Azerbaijan and Italy. Based on a vast experience of Italian experts, Aspi Agro LC revives the art of winemaking in the area with unique climatic conditions, where the art of winemaking was flourishing in ancient times. In the foothills of the Greater Caucasus, in the valley of Savalen, after a thorough analysis of soil and climate conducted by Italian experts,